Lands Commission Ejudunесani Ejuo 1951 to 1952 the Chief Justice said like I just met a job no less and no fake family and you are aware. So if you want to talk about anything, you have to talk about nation, not state. The state is the Ghana state. That's why I said, go and look for not Akan land. Listen to me. We, the ADANGBE people, are your landlords.
trendybeats.com.
ADANGBE, say yeah, yeah, yeah. ADANGBE, say yeah, yeah, yeah. ADANGBE, hey, ADANGBE, say aye. But you let it come over. No, one more ADANGBE leni come over. Shicheme. Beleshe. ADANGBE. Beleshe. Ni homoko. Ye wadon. Ejaka nukwale ejekpo. Na nukwale president ele anukwale. Chief Justice ele anukwale. Speaker of Parliament ele anukwale. Amefe amele anukwale ejeme. Mene jisanie. Ni sembamba Kenya akeshi. Lands Commission. Ejudunесani Ejuo. Ni Kenya akeshi nyashi shemo Abraham Lands Commission. Nyele loko. ADANGBE bi. Mene manyele anukwale ni yo ni emi. Eshishiji Kaji Okwe Kajega all the way to Aigbe, all the way to Lome. Agbene Kanye Kwe Kofodria Cafe Seche Esani ADANGBE Be Agency. Mine was ani ADANGBE Be Agency. In Kenya ke Odwecho Shishiabu legit first head of family of the Ghana state. E won yeme game Kenya me ADANGBE bi dane mi Kenya keshi nine nu ofio ke nine na afio ke nine ni weku me piohie je wo wonte shi ha wo e pa keshi wo pe wo teshi wo ha wo shinye ADANGBE bi e nyemo ke wo fe eji meni e wo ne sanate shi na fe ku mi ji sane ji certificate of title kashi ele noko esa ke Lands Commission fio le ke majani bi na ni wo yu one search na sane fe in 1947 Ekeno afoshi ni lebeche fe no court again. This is state land. Shipon kome na yen shipon kome wall kekene for me abaka here is a state land, but here is not a state land. Lands Commission a big answers, serious questions, difficult questions. Never answer with the difficult answers. It Kenya can make kumeba tuni na mebo na mete. Aba chala ka gbeme na ka me ba democrat na ba ya me no kuni da na ka me ke no ni sa da na ka ba fe ka ba abule me na ka maya mine we sa ni Lands Commission ke certificate na ni ba cho ni ne mine sa ni ekete coffee search ya gamashi esa no na leke certificate of title na ni cho bo coffee search ya kofodua esa no na leke certificate of title na ni ko bo ne coffee search ya igbe esa no na leke certificate of title na ni ko bo ne coffee search ya winiba esa no na leke certificate of title ne coffee search ya gas state shipon no esa no na leke certificate of title na fe ni ke ba chonye ne and ele judge chief justice eleji mo ne sign like certificate of title neke Lands Commission all records fe ejeme no le we si shemu ni agbo ni government fe ni ebo ablo nebo wa blow de sa nebo wonye mega mempi wonye me ni kamo gbe wonye me wowo gbe hey ne sa ta flache no ni product ba pay school fees product e ko be no na ba yele hu e ko be ni ka je tehie nya ni awon ni fe woni bi ne sa na fi awo all journalists good journalists in this country information ni tell about the Ghana state land there neighbor 370 1947 no junoni esane hiema ameke no fair passage na medacha ben dudu na sa na meduo keke no ni do wo fefe kra diakeshi Talent Commission fear hu e fear hu keke here state land here is not a state land e wa mi to ma biake ka state land there osu e fata state land there alo osu be mi kela ye ni la e mi lo be mi damashi e mi lo be mi e what to search no ko akeshi here is a government land here is a state land here is not a state land one kekene jame mi je nso je fa je gon je loko ni eja shipo mi shipo chano bien state bien no state iye megame kenye mega that baby no ni ba eye musu shake mobo the government etiti ke maje eja keshi wata me gbe wonye wowo ka me gbe na nwe ke ka ameke sami enwe to court mini baba chief justice makpabo fai we mo na ni awie ne nke me enyo ya dini nke chief justice by the title of chief justice like you are not you per se ake atobu like dabi no jeno you nke the title of the chief justice like you are because schedule to see random 1951 to 1952 but chief justice like a judgment a trouble no less no fake ha family and you are aware and you know it and if you don't know it one my officer several times work president FOME chief justice FOME speaker of parliament FOME even mama need you won watch akome lewu ka wote lewu FOME e won me shi le ka wo yo e wo mama me shi le ne ka wo yo ye wo man ni wo yo ne ta flache no government no ni fio it's a very big disgrace to the government. And I know why I'm saying so. It's a very big disgrace to the government. Now, Chief Justice, in Chief Justice CJ as title, like a deal or Jebo per se, that can make a fe, Omo, Danigbo, Obatajame, Shimbo, once me, Bulaka, Chief Justice fire, Leno like my table. Kodi oboto rekosami ko no na keshi no ni Supreme Court ke a court die fio e ben no enye no de ke ignorant to the law no excuse my judge and my lord judgment ye like judgment plans na me certificate of title no ka keshi Odrekwa the first head of family of the Ghana state is the owner of the Ghana state period nothing change it nothing no ko check ele don lagaji boneji shikaji yeke akegwolo sane akatuni ye maneni ni bo chief justice allo president allo speaker of parliament ke akegwolo sane akatuni ye manene be mo fe ma nya my office na yata ho ko tade jo everybody esa mo fe ma nya my office say etake kaji wolo joleshi ni wolo igran kwale ne sani wolo am kwale ni o me sani wolo ajepo ni ye kan kwale tu ni oh my lord Chief Justice, the same judgment ni one year. You know how a judgment plan no more. Chief Justice, Supreme Court, High Court, Appeal Court. I mean, had judgments. Judgments. Can be here wa shipon. Shipon ni Supreme Court etashi neye sanenombo nagbe na. Look, Ghana, let me tell you one secret. Journalists, all journalists come for the truth. Ninyele kaji woka nukwale na for share e ba fite e about fitted government because I make the delays and I do. But in all, me blame British government. I blame them big time because you rent a children. If you rent a house from somebody, what do? You give the key to the owner. But you don't go and give a key to a stranger. Somebody's house, you rent it from the owners. And there's a judgment against the British government, which they know fair abortion. You know British government fair fast. It's an agent kuma push. Okay, then next. We na FIFA mo ade anu fancy because Jawoma was kapa ombeye we papa ye wo krom say wo krom na ye fa anukware and di asem ewo kroma krona say ba say di anukware eye aduma na ye di anukware no tu fom na ye nyina ye ade pa obi a mbeto no Ghana benya bi obi abedidi wo Ghana and beyond. Such as here, because they are here a very serious matter. And the Chief Justice, your Supreme Court, and your High Court, and your Appeal Court are giving judgments on a judgment that they have already given a judgment on that land already. They are also giving another judgment into a judgment. This one is a spiritual English. If you understand, take it. If you don't understand, then that one, take it yourself. And that is the truth. So it's a big shame to the judicial service. It's a big shame to the Supreme Court, and it's a big shame to CJ. Mr. Waka is no bibia wo uniman kwarenu, and you know the truth. No man fa no kwarenu and to from now Ghana land matter and sasa here land court wo Ghana. Because your land court no dada. Your land court no your dada Ghana ha. Because boni no ye ni nyina ye na ye court na ye ko wini ye. Court no starting from 17th centuries and ebe year 1970. Obi baya ogoja see this is rule of law. Rule of law. Rule of law. No, rule of law. She say law na who can say ube rule of law, but not in law. I do that change. And the Chief Justice, the IHN say, "When phone our mu work room obi abuefu, obi krata na yakita na yedi kasem no, my lord." A disgrace to the Chief Justice. A 1952, see range of 1952 judgment. And no, Chief Justice Sankasa, and all the approach of a court, London, Privy Council, and a horse Yako winning. And my lord, Chief Justice, you know what to do. We don't have to have a land law in this country. And I'm telling you without fear or favor. And that is the truth. Because you are ready that Uko Britain and Uko land law, land court war, Uko America, land court war, Uko Germany, land court war, Mujai Sadia na Muyanu, and you're fine. And you're fine. And you're fine. And you're fine. Now, the Ekosunu, and the Ebanu, and my lord, Chief Justice. Omuma judgment. Ewa sasi dada muankasa muadi judgment wasu dada no. Musa di judgment. Ewa sasi nusu millions of them. Na sa judgment plan we ya bidi betre mu nyina no na mu behunu se obi na Supreme Court ana Chief Justice ana say High Court ana say court bia ma judgment on that land. Supreme Court already know a judgment no dada or the atuo and a Supreme Court or mu chom and a Land Commission the Assembly Court and now be the Assembly Court na mo amako ma judgment on that judgment na mo ankasa mo ma judgment was so dada no. I have a lot of millions of judgment in faith. Some judgment from 1970 any judgment that Supreme Court and I say a court of appeal and I say high court ama e was assassin so e was this sign of this judgment plan na me dey chairman and the sad judgment no e fake and a fraud. And I said this without no fear or favor, and that is the truth. Because I'm quite able now say, yeah, mamu ho the fire yeah property ni ya dinamu dinukwa namu nukwa namu di na ye na ye bre kosho mpoano kosho gota nuchi kosho ha obi agina ho obi chese ye bre one grind. My Lord, and I may catch your mom kita certificate of title. No mufise certificate of title omunya from 1970 to 1980. I, the Prince of the Gun State. Me see sa judgment, sa certificate of title. Anybody from 1970 is fake and it's fraud. Certificate na yakita certificate of title na yema certificate. The government have no right. Listen to me. Government only assassin bia wo bebia. Government only assassin bia wo bebia. But because mo kunkun ye penifo na on betrasi, a mo acheche no mo ache a mo akun sakrofo ni nyanu. Etu mu kum mo wie nu. Mu fi se mu di ye wie. Babu bu akura. Afena ye ba. Anti-Chief Justice Mekasa no mika be nyama menu. Me see me the Chief Justice no and deal but not send your friend no say your friend me say enye no na me dey deal the title because ubeka say omu aya to na wo betu ye nanso wo nkwan say wo sisa sade no sisa Malaz Commission and yes I search na ye kan wansem no say obi to asase wokofobia e say ye hu sa search we obi to asase we bi e say ye hu sa search we e say obi to asase wa igbe e say ye hu sa search we search no e ye 7030 1947 certificate of title any root of title. Thank you very much. Ankasa and all the obreko kwa e court e wo London e wo Privy Council and e hosu ye ko gwini. My Lord, Chief Justice, you know what to do. Even there say now we don't have to have a land law in this country. And I'm telling you without fear or favor. And that is the truth. Because you have read that Uko Britain Uko land law land court Uko America land court Uko Germany land court Mujai Sadia na muyenu and you're fine. And you're fine. Now, the Ekosunu, any the Ebanu, my Lord, Chief Justice, Omuma judgment. Ewa sasi dada, muankasa muadi judgment was sudadanu. Musa di judgment. Ewa sasi nusu, millions of them. Na sa judgment plan we ya me di betre mu nanu na mu behunu se obi na Supreme Court Chief Justice and I say High Court and I say court be a judgment on that land. Supreme Court already know why yet judgment no that or the atuo and Supreme Court or mu and Lands Commission the Assembly Court and now be the Assembly Court. Na mo amako ma judgment on that judgment na mo ankasa mo ma judgment was so that I have a lot of millions of judgment in some judgment from 1970 any judgment that Supreme Court and I say a court of appeal and I say high court ama e was assassin so e was this sign of this judgment plan na me the chairman and the that judgment no e fake and e fraud and I said this without no fear or favor and that is the truth. Because I'm quite able now say yeah mamu ho the fire yeah property ni ya dinamu dinukwa namu nukwa namu di na ye na ye bre kosho mpoano kosho gota nuchi kosho ha obi agina ho obi chese ye bre one grind. My Lord, And I may catch your mom kita certificate of title. No mufi say certificate of title omunya from 1970 to 1980. I, the prince of the Gun state. Me see sa judgment, sa certificate of title. Anybody from 1970 is fake and it's fraud. Certificate na yama kita certificate of title na yama certificate. The government have no right. Listen to me. Government only asasi bia wo bebia. Government only asasi bia wo bebia. But because mo kunkun ya penifo na ombe trasi. A mo acheche no mo ache a mo akum sakrofo ni nyina no. Etu mu kum mo wie no. Mu fi se mudi ya wie. Ba mu bu akura. Afa na ye ba. Anti Chief Justice Mekasa no mi kan bi nyama menu. Me see me the Chief Justice mu and I deal but not send your friend no say your friend me say enye no na me dey deal the title because ubeka say omu aya to na wo betu ye nanso wo nkwan say wo sisa sade no sisa my last commission and yes I search na ye kan wan asem no say obi to asase wo kofobia say ye hu sa search we obi to asase wo abri say ye hu sa search we say obi to asase wo igbe say ye hu sa search we search no eye 7030 1947 certificate of title any root of title. Thank you very much.